Hey guys, okay, so the shakshuka went into the fridge for a little while. It's in the oven, it's about to come out. I want to talk to you about two things to make sort of a little party brunch complete. Number one is a little drink. We could probably all use a drink this week and this winter. But if you don't drink, you could always do this. Some tangerine juice with some soda water is really, really special. And also, I always slice up just whatever really nice fruit I can find, stick it in. You might be not at a tropical location, but you can feel like you're at one. So tastes amazing. The next thing I want to talk to you about is a little bit of a sauce that I want to put with this. Now, traditionally, shakshuka wouldn't have a sauce with it, but you know, we're getting outside the box a little bit here. So what I'm doing is putting is some Greek yogurt or sour cream if you have it, whatever you have on hand, a really, really high quality tahini, whatever you can find. I put some garlic in here and some pepper. Do I need some salt? I probably need some salt, which I didn't put in. I'm gonna put a good amount of salt and a really nice amount of lemon, maybe half a lemon. I'm budgeting a quarter here, but I like it really, really lemony, anything really tangy. Use what you have. Oh, that's gonna be so good. And I always, you know, tahini is sort of a weird ingredient. It makes everything very thick. So I would say I'm gonna add, once I add the lemon, make sure it's kind of lemony enough. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water. Now, what you wanna do when you're working with tahini is add in really, really cold water. If you add in warm water, it causes the tahini to split. It's really not pretty. So there's my sauce. Oh, it's gonna be so good. So again, that is, I would say maybe a quarter of a cup of Greek yogurt, a quarter of a cup of tahini, half a lemon, make it as citrusy as you would like. Maybe 2 tablespoons of water until it's the consistency you want. 1 clove of garlic, as much pepper as you'd like. If you want to put a little chili in there, that's fine. And then that's going to be an amazing sauce. I also chopped up some herbs, which I'll use just to make the tray look a little bit better. I'm going to grab this out of the oven. It's going to be really hot, and we'll see if this works. I have absolutely no idea. So, oh, looking incredible. There we go. Shakshuka pie. Woo! Hot and crispy. Looks so good. And what I'm gonna do, normally I would kind of leave this sit for a minute because everything in it is probably molten. But of course you can wait. So I'm just gonna carefully transfer it onto a cutting board here. Make sure everything is very hot over here. Close the oven. And now I'm gonna keep it on my parchment paper here, and I'm just gonna cut this into really big, huge, large portion per person size wedges. And then we'll put it on a platter, and then hopefully it tastes amazing. So, I mean, you can cut it into squares if you want. The puff pastry should be nice and crispy. I would put it in the oven, probably 425 on the bottom rack. Oh, looks amazing. This probably would do better with a bread knife. I think I said that last time with the grilled cheese as well. Bread knife would probably be good to cut through the crispy puff pastry. But this looks fantastic. And I think, you know, this is food to feed a crowd. Really, really fun for the kids to take part in this. Super easy. Use what you have on hand. You can get puff pastry at most grocery stores. If you really want to go higher end, you could probably ask at your local bakery if you have one nearby. Okay, guys, this looks so good. Wow, it's like an all carb month. Yeah, who cares? Okay, so I'm gonna get this onto the platter. It's messy, but that's exactly what we want. So shakshuka pie with some feta in there and chorizo. By all means, use what you have or what you want. If you're vegan or vegetarian, actually this puff pastry is vegan because it's made with vegetable shortening. If you want to use all butter puff pastry, by all means, go ahead. I love the all butter puff pastry at Premier Moisson. This is very messy. Oh, it's gonna be so good. I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, hold on. Let me get this onto my platter. All right, let's get this aside here. Now, there's your platter of shakshuka pie. And I'm gonna show you how I would serve this up party style. So 1 piece per person. I'm gonna put a bunch of fresh chopped herbs or any kind of little salad you wanna put on the top with a really beautiful dollop of tahini cream to dip into. There you go. Shakshouka pie, breakfast, brunch, kids, family, summertime, outside. Hope you enjoy this. And I'd love to see your photos of whatever you make. So tag me on Instagram at Zoe Ford Montreal. Send me a DM. Would love to see it. Love to hear your feedback. Again, everything we're doing is on zoeford.com. You can sign up for the newsletter. Every week, every Sunday, I send out video, recipe, lots of really fun stuff, and any new product launches. So check it out. And you know I'm going to eat this right now. Bye.